Hi guys, welcome to my Greece vlog. So I'm finally starting it today because we've been here since Monday. Today's Thursday and I couldn't do anything because I was really not happy where we were before. The hotel was honestly horrible. I couldn't even take pictures, like I couldn't do anything. But now I just checked out the room in this hotel and I'm very happy. So you walk out of the elevator and look at that. So let me take you to our room, show you our room, and yeah, look at me. I'm happy, I'm smiling. I'm finally happy, guys. Okay, let's go. As always, you have your key there and the bathroom. Okay, let's talk about the bathroom, right? It is definitely an upgrade from where we were. I am happy with everything. It looks very clean. It's got a tub. I'm happy for a tub. Doesn't look like there's a stopper, but I think I'll go ask for a stopper. It's got a good shower head holder there and it is clean. I'll actually show you guys pictures of the previous place we were at. So I'm happy with the bathroom. And this is the bedroom. It's me. It's got a cupboard. I think I'm going to be able to pack out my stuff in here because I am going to do that. I'm tired of living in a suitcase. I've been doing that for the past over a month now. We've got like a little mini bar fridge thingy. Oh, my watch doesn't have, there's water, but I already bought water. So this is the room, guys. There's nothing fancy, but yeah, it's nice and big. Honestly speaking, there's a TV. I am not bothered, and we have a view. So we're on the 4th floor here. We have a view of another hotel in front of us. Let me just close this and open the door. Okay, it's quite not nice that we literally just have the neighbors just here, but anyways, it works for me. So this is the view that we have now. Okay, so straight talk, right? Honestly speaking, this is not the best view. I think it's quite loud. Let me go inside. But what I'm saying is this, the view here, it's not the best because obviously I'm looking at a building in front of me, and we can see into each other's rooms, but the location is so much better. It is in the middle of, let me just close the door as well. It's in the middle of, I guess I can say town, not really in the middle, but then it's in a very busy section, right? I've already walked around the whole morning until now in the afternoon. And compared to the previous hotel, the view is not the greatest, but I'm happy because the hotel is very nice. The room is quite nice. It's very clean and it is way better than the one we were at. The view in the other hotel, honestly, for me was perfect. I could see the sea. I could see like the mountain top. Well, not mountain top, but the houses, like the suburb on the mountain. You can see all the houses and it had a lovely view. It was just a horrible hotel inside. Like the bedrooms were horrible. So I decided to just add some pictures that I took of the hotel because we needed to send it to someone to justify why we need to change the hotel, like the complete hotel. And as you guys can see, like, look at that. It's like rusted, the shower. It was filthy. Like, imagine you have to shower and we have to be here for like 6 weeks. We needed to spend our whole 6 weeks in this hotel. And I was like, no. Like everything was just dirty. I think it's just old. And And yeah, for me, it was just not working. Like, look at that. The paint was peeling off the walls. The shower curtain was all filthy. The toilet never looked clean. I just didn't feel comfortable in the space. So that's why we had to change and we moved to the new hotel that you guys just saw now. So I'm quite happy with this one. So yes. So today I went to the Jewish museum of Thessaloniki, but couldn't take any pictures or videos because it's not allowed. So I tried, but obviously I don't think I got great footage of anything in there. And then after that I had lunch at an Italian restaurant. I had spaghetti and tomato. I know I'm in Greece and I'm busy having Italian food, but I just missed spaghetti and tomato sauce, so I had that. And now I'm at the hotel. I just checked in and I'm very happy. Honestly speaking, I'm very happy, and I can finally just relax a bit and yeah, be at home. So yeah guys, we'll be taking you around a lot of the things that we'll be doing here in Greece, mostly on weekends, because obviously during the week work, and then in the evenings it's just out for dinner. But during the weekends we'll be like doing a lot of touristy things, so I'll take you guys around. So for now, see you guys later. Bye.